Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to import Glossary into DeepL. So today we are going to show you how you can upload your glossaries into your own account in DeepL. So upload your existing glossaries via CSV file in the glossary window or the web translator or the desktop application. Now, the formatting guidelines. Your file shouldn't be UTF-8 encoded, set as CSV UTF-8, delimited CSV star. The first row of the CSV file should start with the first entry. Your file should not include any comments. Your file should not exceed 10 megabytes, and your file should include only one entry per each source text. No duplicates are allowed. An entry can contain multiple words or short phrases. Now, to upload a glossary with one language pair, if your file includes glossary for one language pair, for example, English, Denmark, or Dutch, you could simply just go to their web translator, log in with your DeepL account, click glossaries in the navigator bar on the left hand side, click plus new glossaries, click upload an existing glossary. Enter a glossary name, select a CSV file with two columns. It should be, for example, artist mailer, and a separator and the language pair should be detected automatically. Edit manually if needed, then click upload glossary. Guys, there is a note that you need to understand. Only those with the pro version could do this. So the free version cannot do this. That's why I'm not showing you exactly the process here. So if you want to add with multiple languages, then if your file includes a glossary with several languages pairs, you need to add the source language label and the target language label after the glossary entries in the following order. So as you can see here, source language term, target language term, source language label, and target language label. For example, the first two lines should be formatted as following. Translate, traduire, like English, Spanish, merci, grazie, French, and Italian. So something similar to this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can upload your glossary into DeepL. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.